Hi guys, welcome to another GrubSkills tutorial. Today we are going to be learning how to grow an avocado plant from the seed. If you're not quite sure how to cut an avocado yet, go ahead and check out one of our previous videos on how to do so. When we did that, we were left over with this nice seed, and this is what we're going to use to grow an avocado plant. All of our produce here at GrubSkills comes from Imperfect Foods, which is a great way to save food from the landfill. And if you want to try out Imperfect Foods, go ahead and click the link below for $10 off your first box. Alright, now you can see here there's a line on the avocado pit, which was from when we cut the avocado open. That is completely fine. It's not going to affect how your avocado pit grows. But you want to make sure that you give it a little clean off it. Sometimes when you cut the avocado itself, you get a little bit of these green bits from the flesh of the avocado. Alright, so our first method, you're going to need just the avocado seed, a damp paper towel or cloth, and a Ziploc bag. I'm using a re-zip bag. I don't keep any Ziploc bags just so I don't have to add to anything else going in the landfill. If you want to know where we get these, go ahead and check out the link in the description. So to start off, you're going to take the seed and your damp cloth, go ahead and open it up, and you're going to wrap the avocado seed in the damp cloth. This is going to help the seed itself germinate. It needs a little bit of moisture, but it doesn't need too much. And then you're going to go ahead and place that cloth inside of your bag, whichever kind of bag you have, and zip it up. And then this is just going to go straight into your cupboard, into somewhere where it's going to stay safe. It doesn't need to be in a cold place, just regular heat is fine, or if you want to set it on a windowsill, you can always do that. For our second method, you're going to need a jar of water, the avocado seed, as well as 3 toothpicks, or I use skewers because they're a little bit more stable. I just cut off the end there so that I just have a portion of each. You're going to take your avocado pit and you're going to want to identify the bottom. The bottom is the flatter side and it has this node here, and that's where the actual roots are going to grow out of the pit. And the idea is that your avocado seed is going to want to sit in a little bit of water, but not too much. So you're going to want to put your sticks or your toothpicks all around the avocado. I usually just do 3, I think that's plenty. And then once you have those in there, you're going to place it over the rim of the jar and make sure that the end of the avocado that we just talked about is submerged in a little bit of water. You can kind of see that I don't have enough water in here, but I'll fill it up just a tiny bit so that about a ½ centimeter or a centimeter of the avocado pit is fully submerged. And that's what it should look like. If you want to know more about what you should expect to see when your seed is growing, head over to our blog post about this, which you can find right in the description, and we'll let you know a little bit more about what you need and what you should expect to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out a couple of our other videos if you want to learn more about the basics of cooking and growing your own food.